Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheng Yak. I have a message that I would like to send to my fellow Nwer people. Dear brothers and sisters, in this challenging time, we are witnessing a crisis that threatens the very fabric of our community. This is not a time for silence or division. It is a time for unity, strength, and collective actions. This unity has weakened it us for far too long. It has allowed others to manipulate, oppress, and divide us. But we must remember we are one people bound by blood, culture, and history. Our strength lies not in standing apart but in standing together. Let us put aside our personal differences, tribal lines, and political interests. Let us come together as one voice, one spirit, and one people. Our unity is the key to overcoming this crisis and building a future where our children can live in peace, dignity, and hope. Let us rise above fear. Let us speak truth. Let us defend our community, not with hate, but with wisdom, courage, and love for our people. Together we are stronger. Together we will overcome. Chong na kel kone diala kon lanwari. Gone yen o kon cha dek a chang de chodian lut. Mu wana te kamal kam ne kon do diala ti chang de jeg diala ti nyon ka kon ti bi ke lot. What disunity again dan en dakana mala dor la ja nyon ke. Mi pel kon chang kon gagang no kon yor kon ga tongomi de kon tin diala kon nyon kon de kon ka jako bi ke lot. Ban me da ka kon a chang de jeg tal gwa de no wote. Yate man.